traders, thank you so much for joining in from another video from RLTR group. And today we are going to be talking about the 40,000 that we have made in the market before 12 o'clock, and also going to discuss where we will expire for tomorrow. So stay tuned for all the information about what our analysis is going to be for tomorrow as well. Of course, we were very right on our previous video that Bank Nifty, if it breaches 31,000, we are going to see 30,500, and yes, our targets were hit. Now, before you proceed, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for a new video every time it comes through to you. So at this moment, let me just take you through the trades first, and then we'll go to the charts for tomorrow. So the trades that we have got was, today was a very volatile day, guys. So, before 12 o'clock, whoever was trading was either, a gladiator or a warrior of market. Of course, we were both. So, we had a lot of, profits that we made from a C and a P, and then we lost heavily on a PE at the beginning of the day. So let me just show you that we had bought the 30,800 P 1000 quantity at 198, exited at 248, and then we bought a P at 500 quantity, very less quantity, because the second quantity is always going to be less. So then we lost 50 points here, then again we lost 50 points here, but then came our conviction for the trade, and that's how we actually made our money. So today I'm going to talk about, so on my live trading session today, these are the arrows that I actually had made for people to understand that these are the places where I am expecting Bank Nifty to be moving. So our position was actually taken over here today at this zone where we were trying for a breakout, and this was the first P which gave us our profit. But the next time when it was retracing and breaking itself down, we took a position here, but it hit our stop loss. Then again when it came down, we took a position here again, it hit our stop loss. But when it hit our stop loss, we were not very egoistic to say that we should always be right in the market and not to book stop losses. Of course, that never happens with us, and yes, we traded the breakout and we made our money and we were done for the day. So 40,000 was easy peasy lemon squeezy. So you can actually go to the Telegram channel and find out more about how we actually made that 40,000, and also the participant screenshots who also made the same kind of money with me when they were trading on the live. So now let us go ahead, quickly analyze where the markets are going to expire tomorrow. So the first and the most important thing, guys, you need to well notice this, that there is a fall which is happening right from the top, and it has not stopped anywhere. So what does this mean? So we have corrected somewhere around 2,400 points since last Thursday. Okay, and there has to be a breathing space, or else there is going to be a lot of panic created. So tomorrow I'm expecting Bank Nifty to actually act a bit sideways. So I will be expecting it to be sideways to bearish tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you why. So the first thing that we need to understand is that there is a decent trend line that is coming in over here. So this is going to be an important level of confluence for me to understand. When Bank Nifty breaks this level, this particular trend line is when we have to go to a C side of things. But if it is going to stay here and stay low, we have to be on a PE side, because the next targets that I'm going to give you right now for the PE are going to be very, very easy, and it would be achievable if Bank Nifty moves from the low of today. So this would be our next target, guys. So I just want you to understand that and see that the next target that I'm looking at is 30,000, a quick target at 30,000 if Bank Nifty moves below today's low. And if it is not able to sustain, there is a gap down or gap up that actually it filled. There was a gap it created on 29,800. So I'm not expecting any major profits on the, targets on the downside, but I would actually tell you to be very, very careful until this particular trend line is broken on the top side. You should not be entering a C. That's my call. You can short a C, you can short a P, you can do anything on a Thursday for your excitements, but please do not buy a C above this particular trend line. I'm not going to let my participants buy. I'm going to sit with them and I'm going to ensure that they end up with profits. But if there is nobody to tell you that this is what you need to do, please listen to me. Don't put yourself into losses. Save yourself a lot of time. do not trade a C above this trend line and wait for the targets on the PE front. So that is my analysis for today as to what market is going to expire tomorrow at. Now, the exact level as to when it is going to expire, I'm going to share that on my Telegram channel tomorrow. So whoever is looking to get an access to that can hit the link below and join us on our Telegram group and follow us for a real-time update. So thank you so much for your time, guys. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, like the video, and join our Telegram channel. We'll see you again tomorrow with another exciting video. Thank you a lot. Have a very good day. Jai Hind.